Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can duplicate a presentation, or as they are called on Gamma AI, Gamma, in 2026. So let us guide you through it. For example, guys, if you'd like to use a presentation you've created yourself manually or by using the AI-powered presentation tool here, presentation creation tool here on Gamma AI, you may, for example, duplicate these to save them as templates later, or to, I don't know, do some A/B testing and edit one presentation that way and add other changes and edits to another one. So this is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to your account's home screen, click into Gammas, which is basically another word for these presentations or items you create here in Gamma AI, like websites or presentations, and click into these three dots here of the given or below the given presentation and select duplicate. Wait for a brief moment. And there you go. As you can see in the top left, the name of the presentation is copy of that presentation here, Sophie. Navigate back to the home screen by clicking into this button. You will see two versions of it, the copy and the original one. And that's how you duplicate your presentations on Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.